Hi, this is Cheryl St.Pierre. In this video, I am just going to take the time to explain the difference between measuring a length of a bracelet and the inner circumference of a bracelet. I recently had a question for sizing a bracelet. Why not just measure the length of the bracelet? And so I really wanted to demonstrate what the difference is. So I've got two completely different types of bracelets here. And I've got, it's my old but trusted measuring tool, and this is all you need. You don't need to spend extra money on your measuring instruments for your bracelets. This works the best out of everything that I have found. Okay, so I'm going to start with this bracelet because the difference is the space that the beads take up, and this one really doesn't have much space, but I honestly don't know what the difference would be. This one probably wouldn't matter too much. So let's go ahead and measure the length of this bracelet, and it measures almost 7 3/4. Oh, actually, it's exactly 7.5 inches. Okay, so done up. And then roll up your, all this is the length of a cardstock sheet. So it's 11 inches long, and I've just got about 2.5 inches in width. And then you just mark your inches, and I actually mark the 3/4 inch dots too. And mine's pretty beat up now. Even my cat's chewed on the corner. She likes to be wherever I'm making jewelry. She has to be there. So there is a difference because it was 7 3/4 and it's about 7 1/8 on the circumference, and I didn't think it would be that much of a difference. I really didn't. So that would be wearing it very tight on your wrist, and you want to give yourself a little bit of room. So you would go, if you were sizing it, you would probably, well, this is my bracelet and my wrist is 6.5 inches, so yeah, a half an inch, and it's just comfortable. Okay, and this one, I've recently made it for a customer, and see, the beads take up much more room, and they measure, the bracelet, you can't see the end, measures about 10 3/8 inch long. I've got it. You've got to have it so that the number 1 is on the outside. And it's just over 9 inches when you do that. And she wanted to have some room so it would hang on her hand. So she actually measured her hand where she wanted it to sit. So that's a huge difference. That's why you need to measure it this way. The length of your bracelet does not give you how it will fit at all. And if you've got customers, you're going to have very disappointed customers because the bracelets you send will not fit. And it's not good for them to be able to figure out, oh, it's this length, it should fit this. It's not going to fit. So you need to be careful with that. If it's just a bracelet for yourself, I mean, you just measure it on your own wrist as you go, and that's all it takes. Okay, thank you for joining me in this short little video. Please click like, subscribe, and think about joining my retired tutorials, where you get all of my videos that I've put up. So God bless, and we will see you in the next one. Bye for now.